Alright, I'm about to swap out these Ford Focus low beam, high beam with LED. So these work fine, but they're not bright enough. And actually, this one just went out a couple days ago. So I went ahead and replaced it until I got my LED kit. And so if you're wondering what it takes, you have to buy the kit with a conversion. So this will convert my 9007s into the LED. So I connect my 9007 connector into that and then plug that into the light. So these are supposed to last a whole lot longer than your typical type of bulb. So anyway, read the directions. It's really not that difficult. They're wanting to make sure you test it before physically installing it. Make sure that you don't get a code on your dashboard. So, and they also want you to wear gloves while you're doing this. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap it out and do a little test. Let's see if it gives me a code on my dashboard. All right, so I took my other one out, and here is my wire for the bulb right here, and I'm plugging it into this socket, and it just snapped in. It's a good fit. So here's my LED. All right, so here we go. I've got my little piece plugged in, my wiring from this 9007 converter. There's my LED light. So I'm gonna turn on the car and see how bright it gets and see if I get any codes on the dashboard. Great. Alright, I'll check my dashboard. No codes. My seatbelt's unbuckled and my little thing on the I can't think of it right now, but anyway, there's a switch in here that needs to be replaced to get rid of that brakes on seatbelt. Oh, actually seatbelt just went off. So anyway, still no codes, and I'm good to go there with the light. So I'm gonna put the other one in and see if I get any more codes, and then finally pop them into the headlights. Got them in there. These directions are pivotal. You really got to follow this. Put this piece in first, screw it in, and then come in and lock the light bulb after the fact. Anyway, it's done. We'll see if I keep them, how bright it is. I may have to polish this up some more. Made in Georgia.